Hi, today we're going to be looking at how to actually find the IP address of the management NIC or the iDRAC that your server is currently using. If your server has one of our bezels on it, you'll notice there's a screen in the top right. This is where we can actually find the IP address of the management NIC. On the bezel itself, there are some navigation buttons. The screen should be lit up. If it's not, go ahead and try pressing one of the buttons to turn it on. We'll actually just hit the check mark, and that'll bring us to a new menu. To actually find the IP address for the iDRAC, we can navigate over to View, hit the check mark. We'll select iDRAC IP address, select IPv4, select IP address, and if your server has an IP address designated for the iDRAC, you'll notice it on this screen here. Our server just does not have one configured, so we see all zeros. If yours says all zeros, your IP address is not configured. If you do see an IP address, go ahead and supply that to your technician, and we should be good to go from there. Thank you.